off, I bought a pack of fake eyeballs from the dollar store that I will be using one of today. Adhering it to my forehead using some liquid latex. And building that up with a blend of liquid latex and tissue paper for the appearance of skin. I did quite a few layers using this method, being sure to blend it all into my skin so there's more of a seamless finish and less of a demarcation line. While I wait for that one to dry though, I'm going to be going to work on my eyes. My actual eyes, not the fake eye. With a base of black gel liner, followed up with some Sand Dollar from Makeup Geek to almost blend it out just a little bit at first. Further followed by Corrupt again from Makeup Geek to pack on some black onto the base I just put down. Taking the liner down though to line my waterline and add some black under that, the symmetry. To make the next few steps blend better into the overall look, I'm taking the same black eyeshadow and pulling it down with a thinner brush to create a black eyeshadow kind of bleeding effect. Topping off with some dots of Astrology from the ColourPop and Kathleen Zodiac collection, and then the BH Cosmetics BFF liquid eyeshadow. And dabbing out these dots, basically just mixing them together in the process. Then adding some gold glitter over top. Adding that same mixture minus the glitter to my inner corner. Then topping my top and bottom lashes off with mascara. Then with a black lipstick, this is Zero from Sugarpill, I'm going full night sky with my lips, but adding a little bit of Dimension with Shall We Slay from Wet n Wild's Fire and Ice collection. Now that my forehead is dry to the touch though, I'm going to be adding a wash of some brown water activated paint to it. This will help the concealer I'm putting over top to actually blend in. And with the concealer or foundation that matches you, though it doesn't look like it matches me to a T, but I swear it does, I'm adding that all around to where I've just put down the brown, and a little bit more out to even blend it better into my skin. Making sure to dab it out with my finger. You can use a beauty blender for this, it's up to you. To draw some designs on my middle forehead area, I'm going to be using a black liquid liner. Doing a crescent moon, basically just upside down almost, I think. Yeah. And then a few dots underneath. As the makeup is done, I'm going to be adding my head chain, which is literally just a belt I got from the thrift store for a couple of bucks, and a scarf over top of that, and that is it for today's video. Happy Halloween, guys. Hope you enjoy!